Alright, let's continue with 2024 A-Levels Paper 2, Question 1c. The net effect of the individual processes that occur when strontium chloride dissolves in water produce an overall positive entropy change. Explain what is meant by entropy. So entropy is basically the degree of disorder. Alright, degree of disorder. Okay, so it measures the extent to which the particles and energy they are distributed. All right, so the more the disorder, the level of disorder, the higher the entropy. All right. Number 2, describe two processes that have a positive entropy change when strontium chloride dissolves in water. So you want to think about what are the processes, right, that increase the disorder when you dissolve strontium. Okay, so when you dissolve strontium, right, when it is a ionic solid, it is very ordered. It is very orderly. Okay, but when you dissolve it, then your ions will mix with water molecules. Okay, so this will increase in the disorder. So this is process number 1. Okay, if you talk about process number 2, remember that entropy also includes the temperature, okay, the kinetic energy, okay, the ways that they can distribute the kinetic energy of the particles. Okay, so since it is exothermic, remember earlier on the question actually told us that this is a exothermic reaction, okay, when strontium chloride is dissolved. So we're going to make use of this piece of info in part B. We're going to use it in C part 2. Okay, so when temperature increase, all right, the kinetic energy, I'm just going to put KE, you all understand, kinetic energy of the particles increase. So there's more ways to arrange your packets of energy. So your level of disorderliness increase. All right, so these are the two processes that have positive entropy change. Okay, mixing of ions with water, and then second, that is increase in kinetic energy of particles. Okay, both of these actually increase your entropy, positive entropy change. Name one process, describe one process that has a negative entropy change. Okay, so you need to think about what actually decrease the level of disorderliness, what is the kind of bonds or attractions that are being formed as strontium chloride dissolve. Okay, one thing you can think about is you have formation of ion dipole. Okay, when you have this ion dipole attractions, right, it will result in the decrease of disorder. Okay, formation of ion dipole attractions, okay, between the ions and water. Okay, so that's it for part C.